Hello everyone, welcome to Court with Krissy. Here are 4 court shorts you probably didn't catch. And I have no idea what the last lady did, but I'm guessing it's bad. So if you have time to search for the crime that she's being charged with, drop the details in the comments. We would all appreciate it. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
Mr. White, you ready on Mr. Bickerstaff?
Yes, Ron.
Mr. Bickerstaff, can you come on the Zoom call, please?
I'm here.
So he's here on, you need to activate your camera, please.
Yes, sir. Hold on for a second. Sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, I'm in court right now. That's the only reason why I'm here. Yes, ma'am.
Who are you talking to?
It was a lady. I had parked next to her. She said we have to leave.
Okay, well, let's get through this so you can.
Yes, sir.
Although I hang on just a minute.
No, you're fine. Go ahead. Come on, Julian.
Yeah, you need, I hope there's somebody else there to drive you.
Yeah. She is.
All right.
Yeah, she gave us 2 minutes to leave.
Okay, so give me what's happening today, Mr.
I'm sorry, man. I was just in Zoom court, so that's all it was. And I understand this is private property, so we're moving.
Yeah, it is private property. It looks like you're living here, and it's not okay.
No, we don't live here at all. We've never been. All right, we're moving. Go ahead,
Mr.
Go ahead, sir. I'm sorry.
Listen
I'm
to
here.
me. Okay, turn your camera off, mute up, go drive to a place, or have your driver drive to a place where you can park and then come back on.
No, I'm good right now, sir. Go ahead.
I'm not good.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
We're not going to have court this way. We're just not going to do that.
All right.
So you can move. We'll be here all morning. We'll wait. Let's go to a place where you can park anywhere. You can park on the street, a regular place you can park. That's fine.
6-1, State of Iowa versus Christine Schreiber.
That's not my
Ms. Schreiber, today's hearing is being recorded. Anything you say can be used against you in the future. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, you can make an application for a court-appointed attorney. I have complaints here charging you with assault, aggravated menacing, and theft. Did you receive a copy of those?
Okay, it's bull crap for one thing. Somebody entered my structure, accused me of taking something that wasn't there, which she claimed it was. Thought it was not there. Put her hands off me. I pushed her out the door of my existence until she couldn't just bust in. That is my self-esteem, was protecting my property and my body, because she put her hands on me, accused me of taking something that obviously wasn't there. My place was ransacked, completely taken apart. There was nothing in it. I'm a victim of a crime.
Okay, I'll enter not guilty plea for
He
you.
did. I'm sitting in a chair. Walks up to me. Where's my shit? I was in there. What are you talking about your shit? I don't know nothing about her shit. Where she put her shit? If she put it over there, so what? Who cares? I wasn't here. I was in the structure. I came out the structure. Where's my shit? How should I know where your shit is? I was in the building. You were out there somewhere. I don't know. Barged away, pushed away into the structure that was ransacked and badly tore up, by the way. So I'm looking for shit of hers. It's ransacked, but it's where am I keeping it? You're still here, my shit ain't even here. I was cleaned out by Ryan, again. Again.
Okay, thank you.
And I didn't do none of this. I held my ground. Stood up for myself. She can't just bust into my structure and put her hands on me.
Let's go.
This one way to crap.
Let's go on the record in the matter of recall the matter of the city of Wyandotte of Jeffrey Morrow, 25788. Counsel, your hearings, please.
Your Honor, Richard T. Serrano, P33828 here. I'll be Hold on, Mr. Morrow. With my client presently in custody in the Wayne County Jail. Now state your name, please, Mr. Morrow.
Pardon?
Your name, please, Mr. Morrow.
Jeffrey Del Muro. Jeffrey Del Muro.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. All right, counsel, today's date scheduled for the pretrial in this matter.
That's correct, Your Honor. My client is continuously.
Yeah, I was just drinking vodka.
Hang on, Mr. Morrow. Hang on.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Mr. Morrow, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Do not interrupt while your attorney is speaking, okay?
Yeah.
Your Honor, he's been in custody continuously since this matter. And, Your Honor, he is going to plead guilty as charged. One count of public intoxication. I've advised him of his rights. If he understands them, and Your Honor, we're ready to go forward with the plea.
Okay, Mr. Morrow, I need you to please raise your hand.
Yes, sit down.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this matter be the truth, the whole
Yes,
truth.
ma'am, I will do. I will tell you the truth. I promise I will.
Okay, sir, as to the charge of public intoxication, how do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty. I was just drinking a half a pint of vodka and the police came. I didn't have no drugs or nothing.
Okay, and sir, you understand all of your rights, and you've been able to go over those rights with your attorney, correct?
Yeah.
And you understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea?
Okay.
You understand, sir, that this court could sentence you to jail, probation, or fines and costs, or a combination of all that. Do you understand that,
I
sir?
got some, if I get a fine, I can pay someone. I got some money in my account.
Okay, sir, I just want to understand, I just want to know that you understand the possible penalty.
Yes, I do, man. It's just we're drinking vodka. I only have vodka.
Okay.
I didn't have no drugs, you know.
Okay, and
Don't get it serious in your court.
has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
I'll plead just guilty. I was just drinking the vodka. That's all I was doing.
No, I understand that, sir. Did anybody promise you anything or threaten you for you to plead today?
No.
Okay.
Nobody.
All right, any immigration issues?
There are none, Your Honor.
Okay, counsel, if you can please body your client, although I think that
He's pretty much fired himself.
yes,
I would briefly go over it.
except you didn't say where he was at.
All right, Mr. Morrow, can you hear me?
Yes, I do.
All right, I'm your lawyer, Richard Serrano. Remember we talked, were you in a public park at the time that you were drinking the alcohol?
At a public park?
Or in a public place, let's put it that way.
No, I wasn't in a public place. I was sitting on a lawn by the stop sign.
All
I
right,
was
that was
waiting on the
outside.
bus.
It was outside, right, in the city of
Yeah, it
Wyandotte?
was outside. It wasn't inside.
Okay, and it was open to the public, is that correct?
Yeah, it was on a lawn by the stop sign. I was waiting on the bus.
And you were drinking alcoholic beverages, is that correct?
Just a small bottle of vodka. It was just a half a pint.
All
I
right.
didn't have no drugs.
You were intoxicated from that vodka, is that correct?
No, not. I only took a few couple sips.
All right.
I took about 4 drinks of it so far when the officer pulled up.
Okay, hang on. I'm satisfied.
All right, the court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, and factually accurate. The court will accept the plea to the charge, and counsel, you ask me for immediate sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Even the prosecutor has recommended time served. I've told my client that's only a recommendation like I'm making. It's sentencing.
Yeah, I got a job. I'm working, you know.
The answer. It was a small amount of alcohol, as he said. He was cooperative with the police, Your Honor. We would have time served.
Hello.
He's really injured.
We're doing it.
Okay, so here's the thing, Mr. Morrow.
Yeah.
Mr. Morrow's criminal history dates back to 1976, so we're about 40 years of criminal history. And a lot of that involves your client's alcohol consumption.
Goddamn son.
And so,
Shut your goddamn up.
controlled substance, Mr. Morrow, I need you to please not interrupt me. Mr. Morrow, I need you to please not interrupt me. And so the court is quite familiar with Mr. Morrow, and Mr. Morrow has been here a number of times for very similar matters. And Mr. Morrow,
Hadn't been no trouble in a long time. I just was drinking vodka. I was waiting on the bus and the police, someone saw the vodka and they called the Wyandotte police. When they came, they dumped it out and they just brought me here. I've been in about 6 days, 5 days.
I will say, sir, you went almost 2 years.
Yeah, I've been no trouble in that long. I've been here a long time.
Well,
I'm looking for a job, you know. I got some money with me for the fine, you know.
Okay,
Stop talking, Mr. Morrow.
sir, actually, you were just here in February.
I was, or I wasn't. I don't remember. I can't remember.
Well, I'm reminding you because I'm looking at it right here. And this
Oh,
court
okay.
sentenced you to 90 days jail, credit for 10 days. And then you were released presumably sometime April or May. And then here we are in the beginning of June, and you're right back at it. Exact same reason why you were just in custody. So,
I
sir,
wasn't really intoxicated. I just had like 4 drinks of the vodka. That's all I had.
okay,
And then the police pulled up and they dumped the rest out.
Mr. Morrow,
Yeah,
two of you do not really agree very well.
I can't hear you.
You and alcohol do not agree very well, it appears.
Oh, okay.
But yet you're continuing to use it, sir, to your detriment.
I haven't took no drugs. I haven't been on no drugs.
So here's what the court's going to do. The court's going to order 60 days on the alcohol tether,
Okay. 6-day tether?
60 days on the alcohol tether through the Wayne County Jail.
I gotta go back there?
Sir, no, you're already there. You're going to be able to be released
Okay.
as long as you have an alcohol tether through the Wayne County Jail.
Okay.
To also order 11 days jail, credit for 11 days. Sir, if you consume any alcohol while you're on this alcohol tether, you will be arrested and serve the balance of that in the Wayne County Jail, okay?
Okay.
$200 fine, $200 cost.
Okay.
We have $75, justice system assessment fee of $50.
Okay.
$70.
Your Honor, my client's not working.
The court's going to waive that.
Waiving client's a cost,
Yes.
Your Honor? Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day, Mr. Morrow.
Okay, take it in.
All right, and we are recalling the matters.
All right, Ms. Harvey? All right, Ms. Harvey, you were charged with, do you know what you've been charged with?
Yeah.
Okay, so your bonds have been denied. Your next court date is on July the 16th. You'll have a bond hearing date if you don't get a bond before then on July the 18th. That's to make sure that your bond is addressed. You could very well get a bond before that date because I'm appointing an attorney to represent you, and they may work something out before your court date. So all is not lost. Do you have any questions? All right, good luck to you. Take care.